This one-shot FPV I made using the DJI Avata, with a small modification. The Avata has a lot of great advantages, such as stabilization and new sweet goggles. But also it has its minuses, like the noise and not a very good video quality of the built-in camera. Also, we cannot make vertical videos for Instagram. Well, I can't do anything about the noise, but we can do something with the camera. I have a Thai friend. He lives on a nearby island. Using his 3D printer, he made a GoPro mount for me. You'll find the link of a 3D model in the description. A bit of work with a screwdriver, and now we can mount a new GoPro on the DJI Avata. Let's see if it can handle a full GoPro 11. Yes, it can fly, but it's obviously struggling. We need a lighter camera like GoPro Bones. This camera was specially made for FPV. Basically, it's a GoPro 10 without the screen and the batteries. GoPro 10 is 158 grams. GoPro Bones is 54 grams. It's 3 times lighter, but the video quality is the same. But there's one problem. It's powered by the drone batteries. I need to disassemble the drone once again. We need to solder 2 wires for power. To check how it can be made, I suggest you check Nerd FPV channel. You'll find the link below. All is ready. Actually, it was pretty easy to do. Now I hope it will work. Let's test it. Sweet, the camera works. I have 2 mounts, one horizontal for YouTube and another one vertical for Instagram. So now we can film simultaneously in horizontal mode with Avata's camera and vertical mode using the GoPro for Instagram and TikTok. This is very cool. Let's see the difference in quality. For the fair fight, I set the best settings on the Avata camera. It's important to have ND filters for your FPV drone. The built-in stabilization in Avata is not very good, so we turn it off. To get the best quality in post-production, I'll use special software called GiroFlow. You can check the best settings for the DJI Avata in the description. First, I got to the golf field. My friend is an excellent golfer. I want to compare slow motion video. DJI Avata can handle only 2.7K with 120 frames per second, while GoPro can make videos in 4K with 120 frames per second. As you can see, the same shot, but the man on the Avata camera is underexposed. No details in the shadow. When with the GoPro, you can see him clearly. GoPro has an obvious advantage. I wanted to make another shot but lost control. My heart stopped for a moment. I was certain the drone is going to fall in that lake. I talked about this problem in my previous video. The drone loses control during rapid maneuvers, usually when there is wind. It's not my first time, and my subscribers also claim the same problem. And now the most interesting part. I want to make a one-shot FPV using my DJI Avata. Compare the drone camera and the GoPro. We will film it using both cameras at the same time with the best settings. I found a very interesting spot in the hotel. There is a net bridge, a tunnel and nice-looking wooden houses. And 2 ostriches. I asked my friend to help me. They'll be my actors. I didn't have enough actors, so girls will have multiple roles. The hardest part will go to Romeo. He must graciously jump in the net. The route is ready. It seems pretty easy, but the wind interfered and I crashed the drone. Later, I hit the mounted GoPro set for backstage. After, I hit a net in the tunnel. Drone is still alive. Let's try again. Okay, we finally got it. One shot FPV is ready. Now let's compare the quality from both cameras. As you can see, Avata's camera has poor definition in the shadows, with little details visible. If we zoom in, even with light, the quality is not that great. Now I'll flip the GoPro to vertical mode and make another shot for Instagram, probably the main advantage of a mounted camera. Vertical shot I'll post on my Instagram. Please find the link below. Thank you friends for watching. Please comment if you like this Avata modification. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.